Hi, welcome back. Today I have a hover drone. It's the ProMax version, the 8K filming drone. It's supposed to be totally autonomous, foldable, lightweight, so it's under 250 grams, so the Canadian drone rules, only the basic rules apply, so you don't have to worry about licensing it, which is kind of nice. Now, the sad part is it's coming in parts. So yesterday, the controller arrived for it. This is made by Hover. And this is the beacon and joystick bundle. Now, I've never seen these things in my life, so we're going to have to walk through them slowly. Let's see what we have here in the box. So it says here, there's a magnetic clip for the beacon. I don't even know what that is. So let's have a look inside here, see what it's given us. Nice packaging. All right. So there's the little clip for the beacon. Okay, we're not quite sure what that does yet, but we'll just leave that in the box here and see what we got here. There's another clip. This says magnetic adapter mount. Oh, lots of adapters here. What nice packaging, eh? They took their time to wrap everything up. They put a little piece of tape on here just to secure it. You'll probably notice I don't have much dexterity in my hands just yet. It's because I had some carpal tunnel surgery done, and I'm still convalescing. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's a nice little camera mount. There's a 3/8/24 mount for your tripod right there, which is kind of nice. Okay, so there's two pieces. Gosh. Let's see here. Okay. So this is made by 00 Robotics. It says it's the model name ZZ-HZZ-HZ-001//HZ-001-2. What a lot of stuff. It says use of the Made for Apples badge means that an accessory has been designed to connect specifically to the Apple product or products identified in the badge and has been certified by the developer to meet Apple performance standard. Apple is not responsible for the operation of this device or its compliance with safety and regulatory standards. Please note that the use of this accessory with Apple product may affect wireless performance. iPhone is a trademark of Apple Inc., registered in the US and other countries and regions. www.HOVERAir.com, made in China. So again, it's very nice packaging. Very pretty packaging. And it's got a very cool Ziploc top on it here. So let's have a quick look and see what's in here. Oh, look at that. The Ziploc didn't work right off the get-go, but that won't matter. So the packaging is consistent. It's very nice. Oh, it looks like it's come with a little box here, which is kind of nice. Oh, look at that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. There's the instructions. So you know that if all else fails, we will read these. That's the unspoken rule, right? With do-it-yourselfers. If you can't figure it out, read the instructions. Let's go with the simple stuff first here. So there's USB-C, and it looks like a magnetic clip. So I'm guessing this is probably what charges this puppy up. And there's a nice little lens cloth here. Oh. And there's some more tethers. I'm guessing these tethers go from your cell phone to the unit itself here. That's what these look like. I've had other drones. I have a Parrot, right now I have a Parrot Anafi drone. I don't know what I just did there. Oh, these look like little connectors of some kind. Well, that'll be fun. My carpal tunnel will have fun with these. I have no no dexterity at all in my hands at the moment. My life is filled with inconveniences, and this is one of them. All right, so there we go with that. I don't know what these are. Okay, look at this, huh? Not even sure what this is. It looks like it opens. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is going to be interesting. I'm sure it's made for the average human being, so it shouldn't be that hard to use, I'm hoping. Oh, okay. These must be left and right hand side controllers. Okay. I saw the picture on the box and it showed the guy operating it with his opposing thumbs. Hey, right? So what's left in this box here is other than the glass cleaning unit here. Oh, look, there's that little... Oh, aren't these valuable? This one's elastic. This one it's a nice rubber bungee, and it's got a nice little strap. So I imagine that's a nice little halyard for it, so we'll see how that flies. So what's left here is a nice little dividing box with a nice brand name hover on it, which is nice. And then this is the key part here. This is the beacon itself. So let's have a look here. If you have one of these drones, and I don't yet because mine's supposed to be arriving today, we'll unbox that when it comes too, is that we have this nice little beacon piece here. This is the unit that controls it all. Right? If it's inside, if it's on the nice little magnet mounts here. Right? Yeah, I don't see how that works unless that works here in conjunction with one of these. Let's have a look here. Looks like we might have to break out those instructions. Dang. Kind of hope we wouldn't have to do that. So, oh look, there's a button on the side. Let's see what it does. Wow, look at that. It's come to life. I was looking for the drone, which we don't have, so there's no point No point in doing this, is there? All right, let's see if we can shut this off here. No joy. Oh, the button's on the side, that's why. There we go. Okay, so we turn that off for now. I guess there's no drone to hook up, so there's no need to look at that. Well, look, this, other than the instructions, let's have a look at the instruction book here. All right. Look at that. And they got it bound. This is interesting. They have it bound so you read it from right to left. Now that is interesting. So normally books would be bound like this, right, with the spine to your left. But this book is bound to the right. That is interesting. So I'm alleging that somewhere in here, amongst all these foreign language descriptions, is the English one. Let's have a look here. Oh, I saw, no, that wasn't English. Wowzer. Oh, there it is. Here we go, the description of the main parts. We have the beacon, the joystick A, and the joystick B. All right, we saw where the power button was on the side. And the magnetic contacts are here. Okay. So this is going to explain how this joystick works. So it looks like I got some reading to do. And when we unbox the drone, maybe we can tie all this together. It doesn't look very, it's very short. For this great big book, it has, how many pages here? There's 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 pages of instructions, of which probably a third of easy of those is just pictures. So wow, so there we are. That's the unboxing of the HOVERAir Drone ProMax. This is part of my, going to be my ProMax bundle. And it'll be the 8K camera, totally autonomous flying drone. So I should be able to pair it with my smartphone. I should be able to launch it from the palm of my hand. It should be reasonable audio. It will work with my DJI microphone. So I'm excited to get all that into the picture. I'm excited that this will help me with my YouTube videos. And I'd just like to take a second just to thank you very much for watching me unbox this. I hope it was of use to you. If there's anything in this video that you want me to look into further, or have something explained better, I can certainly look into it. Just give me a shout, and we'll see what we can do here. So I have no idea how this all goes together, but I'm kind of guessing. Shouldn't be too hard to do. Let's see. Oh, look, there's one. Oh, look, that lit right up. Here's the other one. Oh, look at this. Wowzer. And now my big phone can go in there. There's a spot to charge it up here. Wow, look at that, eh? Wowee. That is something else. Oh, and these are the little gimbal sticks. That's what these are. Look at this, eh? Wow. Again, my dexterity in my hands is terrible. Wow. And don't they fit nice? Everything is a nice factory fit here. Look at this, eh? Wowzer. That is nice. Nice job, Max Air. Looks good. Let's get my other gimbal here. I'm new at making videos, so I apologize if I ramble, and I apologize if I make no sense. I try to make sense to myself. Look at that. That's not going in there right. I must be doing something wrong here. There we go. Then I can feel it bite up a little bit there. All right, look at that, eh? We're ready to go. That is pretty cool. So I wonder if my big old phone will